Hi all, welcome back to TNOC. In this video we are going to look about how to clean the AC filter. But before that, let's see why we need to do that. If you are facing less cooling issues, or if the airflow is not as good as it should be, then there is a chance that the AC filter is clogged or full of dust. So basically there are two filters. One is the air filter, which of course everybody knows. This is the AC cabin filter, which is present near the passenger's footwell. Of course this can be done at DIY at home, and we are going to see that in the video. But yeah, you can even take it to a service center and they would charge you a nominal labor and they would clean it for you. But I personally like to do all these cleaning by myself. The AC cabin filter is a typical filter, just as you would have in your home. It's the same thing. Let's see where it's located, how to access it, and you will see the difference after cleaning it. Let's get into the video now.